Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts. Make sure Gmail two-step verification is off or generate an app password. This avoids authentication errors. Next, open settings on your iPhone or iPad and go to Mail, then Accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google. Enter your Gmail address and password, then grant Mail permission. Once done, you'll see toggles for Mail, Contacts, Calendars, Enable Mail. This step connects Gmail to Icloud Mail app, so your messages can sync to Apple's Mail client. Once the account is added, configure how messages sync. Go to Settings, Mail Accounts, your Gmail account, and enable Mail. Decide between Push for immediate delivery or Fetch on a schedule. Push saves delay, Fetch reduces battery use. Then, on a computer, open Gmail and enable IMAP under Settings, Forwarding, and POP/IMAP so folders sync properly. Map Gmail labels to iCloud folders by dragging or creating matching folders in Mail. This ensures your sent, drafts, and archived messages. To finish, test sending and receiving from the iCloud Mail app. Confirm sent, drafts, and inbox sync across devices. If messages don't appear, remove and re-add the Gmail account to force a clean sync. This often clears token errors. If you use two-step verification, regenerate an app password and re-enter it in account settings. Also verify IMAP is on and SSL is enabled. If problems persist, temporarily use the Gmail app while you troubleshoot to keep mail flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.